I believe I can fly.
Hey guys, I'm Patrick Johnston, Go Dominican Life, LasTerrenasLife.com, your real estate company here in the República Dominicana. Right now, we are in the east coast of the country in La Romana Airport, which is roughly 1 hour from Punta Cana Airport or Bavaro Beach, and roughly 1.5 hours from Santo Domingo Airport or Santo Domingo City. 3.5 hours to Las Terrenas. But this is one of, how many airports? We have Santo Domingo Airport, La Romana, Bavaro Punta Cana, Santiago, Puerto Plata, Las Terrenas. 6 international airports in this country, serving literally all points in this world, literally. But what's cool about this airport is that it's really, really small. For those in Canada that know, say, St. Pete Clearwater Airport in Florida, very similar. You get off the plane, you walk across the tarmac, you get your bag, customs, and 1 minute later, you're out in your car and you're gone. The design of this airport is very specific though. The design here is literally half a kilometer this way is the ocean, and the largest, richest residential community on the island called Casa de Campo. So not only is this a regular airport, so you can fly private. They have a private airport terminal here for all your private aircraft from all over the world that go to that resort. Or you can fly semi-private with everybody else on board on all your normal airlines, including gateways from Montreal, Toronto, as example, seasonally or year-round, depending on the gateway. So let's go take a look at the airport here in La Romana. Now, depends on the season. But if you're traveling to somewhere like Punta Cana or Bavaro, you will either fly into one of the other airports. So in the off season, for example, Punta Cana is year-round. And they will service this entire La Romana region, Bay, Dominicus Beach, from that airport. But seasonally, mostly in the high season, say from December to the end of April, you'll have flights from Montreal, Quebec City, and Toronto to this airport direct. And they will fly, I know it's Air Transat, Air Canada fly here, are the major aircraft that fly here. But again, it's mostly driven by one resort, private planes, and the unique aircraft that are around the world. Now, we're just arriving just in time because a 777 from Paris, France, just arrived, called Azul Airlines, and that's kind of cool because there's a ton of people here. So let's walk around the terminal. We'll show you what's here. It's really small, but I hope you enjoy it. All right, I hope you liked the video. La Romana International Airport, 6 airports internationally in this country. We had a lot of fun doing this video. It's a real small, quick story, but when we're finishing, we were wrapping up and we're walking to the car and security comes out. Security, security, you can't film here. I'm like, oh, geez, we already did. Anyway, we hope to see you down here very soon. You know how to reach me. My WhatsApp number is here, 829-525-1782. Text me anytime you want. Let's get together. Let's talk real estate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Adios. Oh, I love the bloopers. Wait. There we go.